Hi and welcome to another Windsor Cake Academy tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really gorgeous little sunflower cookie pops ready for Mother's Day. Okay, so what I've done is I've baked my cookies, just a simple sugar cookie, onto one of these cookie sticks. I laid my cut circle cookie on top of the stick, and then I just cut out a little leaf and used my circle cutter to cut the end away and pop that next to it, and when it's baked, that's just baked right together and baked onto the stick. So we're going to pipe onto this back side, and that will hold that stick in and make sure that's really secure, and it's a nice flat surface for us as well. So the tips that I'm going to use today, for my centre I'm going to use the Wilton 12. It's just a nice big open round. I'm going to use a Wilton 366, that's a leaf tip. And I'm going to use one of these lovely squeezy bottles just to flood my leaf. Okay, so I'm going to start with the green flood consistency and just fill in my leaf. So I'm going to pipe right around the edge and right up to this join. Make sure it's nice and full. And then I'll just use my scribe tool just to move that icing into exactly where I want it, the right position. So right up to the edges. I've got a nice full leaf shape, and on the other side too. Okay, so I've got my leaf flooded there, and normally I'd leave that for a few hours to go nice and solid before I start piping the rest of the stages, but nothing's really going to touch that leaf, so I'm confident enough to go ahead and pipe the centre into my sunflower. So this is some brown royal icing of a really stiff consistency with my Wilton 12 tip. And all I'm going to do is hold that tip relatively close to the surface, squeeze, 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 stop, and just pull that away. And we're ready to go on to our petals, where we're using our 366 leaf tip with some stiff consistency icing that I've coloured in a nice sunflower yellow colour. So I'm going to start right at the base here and cover up that stick and just squeeze and pull away and just work my way round, right round the edge of the sunflower. I'm just squeezing, stop and pull away, squeeze, stop and pull away. I'll go in for a second row. So I'm going to pipe this time in between the petals that I piped on the first row. So I squeeze, stop and pull away. I'm piping at a slightly different angle this time just to make sure that these petals stand up a bit more. Squeeze, stop, pull away. Squeeze, stop, pull away. And back round the other way. Squeeze, stop, pull away, squeeze, stop, pull away. And there we have our finished, gorgeous little sunflower cookie for Mother's Day. Okay, so now all of our sunflower cookies are dry. I've just got one of these really cute bouquet boxes, and I've popped a little oasis ball into the bottom of there. And I'm just going to use that to pop our cookie sticks right into. There we go, and we've got this gorgeous cookie bouquet for Mother's Day.